Hi guys, good evening. So, it's currently almost 7 na din sa gabi eh. So, wala kami ni Ram to me sa iyang friend dito sa LA sa Malibu. And then, from there, to me on Las Vegas later. Tomorrow. Tonight, mag-stay me dito sa Ilaha. And then, ano akong suot tonight? Naka-polo shirt. And then, from Zara, and then this one from Zara, and also from Zara, and then Nike. Okay, let's go. Wait, ito ramang dalanon sa duha, and then ikatulong nga bag. Hugaw ang kwarto karon kay nagpack ko, and then dalon ko na lang food ni. Butang ako sa sakyanan. Oh, don't forget our toothpaste. But before we go, ako lang sa shave siya sa iyang. Okay, daghan og hair. So,
for me?
Yeah. Hi, Lily.
We should turn the light off, shouldn't we?
I will be back. You have to go out, Lee. You can't stay inside. Come here, Lee. Let's go. Come here. Bye, Lee. There, Boo. You need to wait. Oh, it's here.
Hi, welcome. Would you like to try our new $6?
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, we're gonna get 2 of the Kraut dogs.
All beef or regular?
Well, what kind of hot dogs are the regular ones?
Okay, so naalang isa. What is this called, Boo?
Der Wiener Schnitzel.
Hot dog place.
Hot dog place.
So, kuan lang may mag-order kay gutom na mi. Wala kami kaon.
I'm 60.
60. Yeah, I was born in 56.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay, so we're getting ready na to fly. So, more hapon akong suot from last night kay umahin ako na suot ang ayaw. And then, ang ayaw. Umahin siya na hugap. And then, pants na lang ko sa ubos kay para comfy sa jet. There you go. Let's go. Ibaron akong hat ni Ram kay tugnaw. Tugnawan akong diriya sa taas. Kay, napang kudkoy ang ubo. So, let's go na. Hi, Boo!
Hi, bud.
We're waiting for Amanda and Bab.